Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna be teaching you how to edit in Sony Vegas. I'm gonna be teaching you velocity, pan crop. I'm gonna leave some shake settings down in the description. I'm gonna teach you CC, all this shit. I'm gonna teach you effects, SFX, all the things you need to know on how to edit Roblox. Okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and get the clip in. Let's just go to like desktop. Let's go ahead and get this clip. This one, okay? So you're gonna do that. And you see how it says 60 FPS? You don't want to edit in 60 FPS at all. Unless it's like a actual video instead of an edit. So you're just gonna click this, go to 29.970, and keep it as that the whole time in the edit. Because if you set it to 60, the velocity is gonna be all whack and everything. And now we're gonna sync the beats, okay? So you hit M to put a beat down. And then the next beat you just hit M again. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all the beats set and I'll be back. Okay, so now that you have all the points down, this is when we're gonna take the clip and actually sync it to the point we just put down. So you're just gonna like move it to when like the gun pulls out and like sways a bit, you know, it just depends. Okay, so this is when we do the velocity. The velo depends. I'd go 400 on this clip because it's smooth, and then like 5 frames, and then just set it to 50% velocity, and then that's gonna make it go fast, then slow. No, that's not what you want. Okay. I don't know what just happened. You just gotta move the clip around to like see what you want. It all depends, basically. Basically, all depends. You set that to 300 and leave it smooth. See how that looks? See how it goes from like fast to slow to fast again? That's what you want. That's exactly what you want. Now you're gonna go to this beat and you're gonna drag till the guy shoots 1 frame before the scope goes out. So basically that, okay? Then you're gonna hit S to split. The S key to split. Now the same thing, velo. It's gonna be like 450 on this one, okay? Then you're gonna go like 5 frames, maybe a little behind it. Set to 50, and then basically the same thing. You just double click on the velocity to make a point again, and just same thing. 400, 50, 50, 300. Okay, now the next thing is pan crop. It's just beat pumps. So like you just want to zoom in just a bit, and you hit this button to open the pan crop, okay? And then you go all the way to the end. You hit the plus sign that says create keyframe. You click that. You go 1, 2, 3 back. You're gonna hit fast, slow, slow. See what I did? Hope so. And then this next shot depends. If you want impact or do you want the same thing, it all depends on you. So you're just gonna do the same thing. Go 3 frames back, fast, slow, fast, and like it just all depends on what you want. So like I want this shot to have impact with the PC, so all I'm gonna do is just go back to this beginning keyframe, zoom it in, and just go 1, 2, 3, and then reset it, fast, slow, and then you see how it comes out. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is add some effects, shake, and some stuff. I don't know. It just depends on what we want to add. So, you know, the beat pumps kind of get repetitive if you keep doing it like that in the whole edit. So, yeah, so all you want to do is like just get some shake settings. I'll leave some down in the description. You see amplitude, you want to hit this animate button to the right beside amplitude and just click it, and it says like 0.8 that, and you just click and hold and just drag all the way down. So like you would want to like fast fade this so it doesn't look stupid. Like, hold on, I'll show you. Like that's too much. I think that's just too much for the shot anyway. See how I add some tilt shake and stuff. And like on this section you can add some Y shake that like makes the beat pump like jump a bit. I don't know how to explain it. So like I'll leave this shake setting down in the description, and you just want to go like 1, 2, 3 and then just keyframe it down, and it'll like make some like little just depends, you gotta mess around with it. But like yeah, that's pretty much it. So like let's go 0.5 and then that'll be it. Now to the effects. I'm gonna show some basic ones and stuff. So color correction is pretty good. You can just drag this on. You can mess with the contrast a bit, the hue, change it around a bit, but I like on the beginning of a clip to put the saturation all the way down and just keyframing it to like the end. So you have like an opening to it. Then you can add this effect called levels. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. Just drag this on and then you go to input end, animate that, drag it to like 0.800, go to like 0.6, drag it back up, and you have some effects. Now on to the SFX. The SFX is critical, okay? If you don't add SFX to edits, you must be mentally damaged, okay? That's all I have to say. So I'll try to link Asus's SFX pack because yeah, I like his stuff. So this, you want to sync it up to the beat you put down, I mean the point you put down, and like you just want to sync it to when like the wave kind of spikes up, you know, and so it's kind of loud, so you just want to put that down a bit. And I'm going to show you another thing. If you want to make it like high pitched, low pitched, it's just depends. You can hit this, you can put negative. It just all depends on what you want. So I'm gonna go with 2. So yeah, we got that. So like let's add a whoosh if you want. So let's like pop out with a swooshy whooshy and like see how it sounds? The PC to make a go into it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the SFX. That's all you need to be honest.